So today I'm gonna be uh, looking at things that I just bought. Well, not just bought. I bought them a couple. Well, I did not buy them all at once. They just accumulated here, and I decided, nah, maybe it's time to open them up and maybe do a review about them. And most of them are collectibles. Uh, some of them are official product. Actually, only one of them. This one is the Siege War for Cybertron. Uh, what is this? Autobot powertrain and high jump. Yes. They're Micromasters. See, I'm gonna do a review of this soon. Why? That's the first item. Let's put it here. And then I also got Deformation Power Up. Jinbao Deformation Power Up. This one is a upgrade kit. Upgrade kit for the Jinbao Oversized Devastator. Let's open it and see what's inside. Inside is a clamshell. It comes with a screwdriver and several screws, an instruction guide, and the upgrade kit for the oversized Deformation Jinbao Deformation Devastator, which is an oversized knockoff of Gravity Builder. Put this back. I'll try to make a review about it. I'll try to put it on my copy of the Jinbao Oversized Devastator. Okay, that's two items. And I have this large, this one. Let's open. Can you still see me? Lots of plastic, lots of tape. Let's do this first. This one first. I wonder what this is. How do you open this? I guess I just cut through. There we go. It's really edge tight. Got this from an online seller. Oh look, more knockoff collectibles. It's the BPF Commander Deformation by BPF Toys. Hunt units, alloy. So expecting die-cast parts here. I don't know if this is an oversized of the Siege War for Cybertron Optimus Prime. But it is a knockoff of the Siege War for Cybertron Optimus Prime. This is the BPF Commander by BPF Toys. Another new knockoff company from, I guess, China. Okay, I'll do a review of this later. Probably upload this the same day, today or tomorrow. And opening the rest of that package. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. Okay. This is from a knockoff company, Weijiang. But as far as I know, this is an original design of theirs. Robot Force Calculation King, their version of Computron. So this one is what is his name? I can't read it. Can't read the name. There's no English translation of the name. So this one, I guess, turns into a car. Let's see. There's 5 of these. 5 of these. Sorry, I just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning. Here is airplane. Scatter shot. I guess it's scatter shot. I'm gonna stack it here. No wait, my light's gonna get affected. My art table is filling up with boxes. There's like I said, there's 5 of them. This one is the motorcycle. Color blue. Okay. And this one is a spaceship. And the last one is nose cone. The drill tank. Excuse me, boxes. There. Okay, so expect a review of these soon. I know there's a lot of reviews out there already, so I'm just gonna take a look at it and give you what my thoughts about it. But if you're looking for a more in-depth review of how it fares with other combiners, yes, this is gonna combine into a big robot. These 5 robots will combine into a big robot. Okay, so I guess that's my lineup for my next collectible reviews. The Hasbro Micromasters. I'm still waiting for the new deluxes to come in. I'm looking forward to the Autobot version of Impactor, the regular version of Mirage. If I can find it, also the Barricade one, which is a recolor of Prowl. So yeah. Short video just showing you the stuff that will be coming your way soon from this channel. Okay, so if you're interested in those content, please do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell button so that you know when I'll upload. Okay, thank you guys for watching.